Hello everyone! Japanese sources firmly mention the arrival of the Yamaha R9 is approaching in 2025 with an 890cc three-cylinder engine derived from the engine used in the MT-09 and Tracer 9. And how detailed, let's discuss. We think we are not exaggerating if we say that the Yamaha R1 has been one of the most important motorcycles in recent decades, and according to some media, the Yamaha R1 will also be retired and replaced by the R9. In the case of Yamaha, it is not the first time that we have talked about the future of the R9, a possibility that, if our colleagues at webbike.net are right, is getting closer to becoming a reality. The market is abandoning inline four-cylinder engines in favor of inline twin-cylinder engines. Perhaps the fact that it is cheaper to produce a twin-cylinder engine than a four-cylinder engine is a big factor. Although there are brands like Triumph and Yamaha that are betting on another strategy, a three-cylinder engine that, at least in theory, offers the bottom end of a twin-cylinder engine and the rev capacity of a four-cylinder engine. Given this market trend, we should not be surprised by the arrival of the Yamaha YZF R9. The tuning fork brand already has the sporty R7 in its catalog, an aggressive and versatile model that inherits the reliable mechanics of the best-selling MT-07. So the R9 will finally only continue the philosophy of this sporty model. As for the competition, the Yamaha R9 could participate in the next generation Supersport World Championship, where models such as the Ducati Panigale V2, MV Agusta F3800RR, Triumph Daytona St. 765 RS, and Suzuki GSX R750 have been approved. A world championship that, until now, has been almost a single brand trophy dominated with an iron fist by the Yamaha YZF R6. If the Japanese sources are correct, the Yamaha YZF R9 will go on sale in 2025. With an 890cc three-cylinder engine derived from the successful MT-09 and Tracer 9. Another advantage of the future sports bike will be its lightweight. So everything points to the iconic R1 soon having a worthy successor.